Hi everyone! So, welcome to the very first episode of Cheese Corner. So, for today, I want to share with you our first day with Pod Voice. So, if you're here with me, thank you for spending your time. And maybe meron kang maalala ulit na something you have forgotten for a while. After the session ng ating Pod Voice Mastery or Podcast Mastery, I was given an opportunity to talk with Coach Ron. So, I asked him one important question that kept on repeating on my mind. So, the question is,
As someone who finding her voice as a business owner and also finding its purpose, what one piece of advice you can give po?
and his answer is just simply,
I always say for your voice, get to know your voice and don't be afraid of it. Learn to just listen to yourself. I would say record yourself, play it back, record yourself, play it back. First thing to do is to get comfortable with your voice.
Okay.
And don't try to sound like anybody else. Sound like
Okay.
yourself.
Sounds like yourself and be yourself as Coach Ron. Okay. And embrace the cringe. Bye-bye.
saying that be you and don't try to be sound like everyone else. Don't try to be someone else's voice. So in short, wag mong gayahin yung voice ng iba, ganon. So I was shocked. Syempre, no? Kasi merong something nag-hit sa akin na like, oo nga, no? Kasi before I joined this Mastery Pod Voice, I shared to Coach Brian that I want to connect my mind to my mouth since hindi siya connected. Meron din na disconnected kasi yung voice natin sa ating sarili. So, yun. Sabi ko, tama. Kasi throughout these years, I realized na every time I'm starting something, I always have this voice, inner voice to myself, like, she's better in communication than me. He's better with storytelling. Or should I better talk to them? So, may mga ganon moments. Meron din kaya kayo, mga listener? So, if meron, comment kayo sa baba para naman makapag-communicate tayo even ako pa lang yung nagsasalita here. I want to hear your story too. So, ayun, going back. I realized na wala talagang perfect sa mundong to. So, I've been an overthinker per se. Kasi, for example, before nung past years, nung mga 20s or teenagers to 20s ko, I'm starting to learn the guitar. So, shocking. Hanggang intro lang ako. Hindi ako napupunta dito sa chorus na part. So, yun yung mga moments na nandun yung hindrances kasi I've been watching others play the guitar na they are so good. And then, meron akong something na oh gosh, kaya ko ba yun? And then, hanggang sa, overpower na ako ng isip ko. So, in short, ngayon, I'm choosing to trust my own voice. Ayun. Masaya siya, enjoying the process. Kaya, natuwa ako sa mga discussion kanina sa Pod Voice about storytelling, frameworks, how to storytelling frameworks, how to deliver it well, and then mga visual and graphics. Pero na-realize ko, shucks, ang galing. Ang ganda, may framework, i-execute mo na lang talaga eh. Pero none of them is important when you don't know yourself enough and you don't trust yourself. So, even bigyan ka na ng framework, ng mga facts, mga to-dos, pero when you don't know what is your intention on what message you want to relay to your audiences, it's nothing. As our coaches said nga, if wala kang, if na-disconnect ka nga sa voice mo and then more on performance-based, CTA, call to action, views, and then algorithms, and then sales, and income, eventually, mag-rip apart din yung ginagawa mo. So, going back, always lean to your deepest why, bakit mo ginawa yung isang bagay. Okay, wow, ang deep. Pero yun nga guys, So, kaya rin ako nag-join dito kay Pod Voice Seminar kasi I have this feeling sa inside ko na may something ako na pwede kong i-share sa mundo. Kasi may something ako nakikita na there's brighter side of life than the norms na nakikita ko and environment natin. Kasi, di ba, as God said, live your life. Kasi yan yung gift ko sa'yo. So, why we waste our life, di ba? Tingin mo. So, bakit ka nandyan? Ba't mo ko pinapanood hanggang ngayon? Kasi nga, you do believe na meron tayong say and meron tayong uniqueness sa sarili natin. Kaya, ito yung reminder ko sa'yo na if kaya ng mga kabatch ko sa Pod Voice, kaya mo rin. Kahit hindi man siya sa podcast, hindi siya sa content, maybe sa ibang bagay. Okay, just be you. Then, avoid overthinking. Just start and trust yourself. Kasi, there's no one else na nandyan para sa'yo, kundi yung sarili mo na. Siyempre, just si God, si family mo. Pero, at the end of the day, ang last na kakausapin mo is yung isip mo, di ba? I'm telling this, pero nag-overthink ako. Pero, I'm trying to practice it naman. So, ayun. Yun yung realization. Kaya, moving forward, I'm very deeply thankful sa mga coaches natin na who share their knowledge and they really do believe on us. Diba? Sa Pod Voice and Coach Brian and Coach Ron, Coach Joyce, Coach Jen, and Coach Ralph. And so, yun yung episode natin. Be you and someone else needs to hear your story and just be you and don't try to sound like others or everyone else. Just be you. Okay, so thank you for listening for today's podcast. First podcast natin to. If this episode reminded you of something, I'd love to hear it and comment down below and then we'll talk about it on the next episode.